To get your crush to notice you, act friendly to them. When they look your way, make eye contact and smile. Stand up straight and tall and keep your body language relaxed and open, which will make you look confident and approachable. Don't be afraid to take the initiative and say hi, or to strike up a conversation next time you see them. Your crush is also more likely to notice you if you look your best. Comb and style your hair, brush your teeth, and wear clothes that make you feel comfortable and confident. They'll notice you more if you spend time around them, so look for excuses to hang out together. For instance, try inviting them to join a study group with you. When you talk to your crush, ask them lots of questions and look for common interest. And don't forget to flirt a little. Try giving them a compliment, telling a silly joke, or even doing a little good-natured teasing.